How to play poker without gambling. So you love poker, but not the risk? Let's be real. Poker is an amazing game. It's thrilling, strategic, and makes you feel like a genius when you pull off a great bluff. But what if you love the game, but don't want to lose money? What if you want the fun without the stress of watching your hard-earned cash disappear in a single bad hand? Good news, you absolutely can enjoy poker without gambling. No shady bets, no lost savings. Just pure strategy and fun. Whether you're looking for a casual way to play with friends, improve your skills, or just have a blast without the financial risk, this guide has you covered. Let's dive into all the cool ways you can play poker with zero gambling involved. Number 1, play with fake chips, but make it competitive. One of the easiest ways to play poker without real money is to use fake chips instead. They bring all the excitement of betting without the actual financial consequences. But here's the trick. If you want to keep the game interesting, give those chips some meaning. For example, the winner could get to pick the next movie on movie night, decide the next restaurant outing, or even make the losers do something hilarious, like singing karaoke. This way, people still care about winning, but nobody is losing their paycheck. 2. Play online for free. Thanks to modern technology, you can now play poker without spending a dime. Tons of apps and websites let you join online poker tables for free. Some of the best ones include Zynga Poker, super popular and lets you play with friends. PokerStars Free Mode has great gameplay and tournaments without real money. World Series of Poker, WSOP app. Play against people worldwide with no risk involved. The best part? You still get to work on your poker strategy, but your wallet stays safe. 3. Use points instead of money. If you and your friends want a competitive edge but don't want to risk real cash, try a point system. Instead of betting with money, you bet with points. Maybe each player starts with 1,000 points, and at the end of the night, whoever has the most wins. To make it even better, you can have a leaderboard that tracks scores over multiple game nights. The person with the highest score at the end of a month or year could win a fun, non-monetary prize, like a trophy, a title, Poker King Queen, or a fun challenge for the losers. 4. Poker as a social game. No stakes needed. One of the best things about poker is that it's a social game. It's not just about winning or losing. It's about reading people, making bold moves, and having fun conversations. If you play poker just for the social aspect, you don't even need to keep track of money, chips, or points. Just play for the thrill of the game. In fact, some of the most fun poker nights are when people aren't stressed about losing money, but instead focus on having a great time. Crack jokes, pull off ridiculous bluffs, and enjoy the game for what it really is. An amazing mix of skill, psychology, and luck. 5. Play poker in a tournament format without money. If you love competition, consider setting up a tournament-style poker game with your friends. Here's how it works. Each player starts with the same amount of fake chips. The game follows a structured format where blinds increase over time. Instead of winning money, the top players earn bragging rights, a fun title, or even a silly trophy. This format makes the game feel real and competitive, but without the financial stress. Now that you know how to play poker without money, let's make it even more exciting. From unique rule twists to creative alternatives, here's how you can keep the game fun, fresh, and competitive without the financial risk. 6. Try fun poker variations. If you're tired of traditional Texas Hold'em, why not spice things up with some crazy variations? Here are a few to try. Reverse poker. The worst hand wins. Suddenly, 2-7 offsuit is gold. Blind man's bluff. Each player can't see their own hand, but everyone else can. Dealer's choice. Every round, the dealer picks a new poker variation to play. These twists keep the game exciting and unpredictable, without any real money on the line. 7. Use poker to improve your mental skills. Did you know poker can make you smarter? Seriously, the game is all about decision-making, probability, and psychology. Even without gambling, playing poker regularly can help you improve strategic thinking, learn how to read people better, get better at quick calculations. So, if anyone tells you that playing poker is a waste of time, just remind them that you're basically training your brain. Number 8. Play team-based poker games. Want to shake things up? Try a team-based poker format. Here's how it works. Players pair up and share a hand, discussing strategy together. Teams compete against other teams, making it more about strategy than individual luck. This format is great for beginners because an experienced player can guide a newbie. It's also a fantastic way to make poker more social and interactive. 9. Add hilarious penalty rules. If you want more laughs at your poker table, introduce fun punishment rules for losing hands. For example, the first player eliminated must wear a silly hat for the rest of the night. The lowest chip holder at any point has to speak in an accent until they win a hand. The worst bluff of the night gets a goofy title, like Bluff King or Poker Clown. These small additions make the game feel more engaging, even when there's nothing financial at stake. Number 10. Host a big event poker tournament, just for fun. Want to go all out? Throw an annual poker event with your friends or community. A. The setup. Create official-looking invitations and rules. Have a dress code, Vegas casino, old-school mobster, or even themed costumes. Design cool prizes like trophies, championship belts, or hilarious gag gifts. B. The experience. Use professional-style blind structures but with fake chips. Keep a leaderboard for bragging rights. Capture photos and videos to make it feel like a real tournament. Even without money, this kind of event can become a legendary annual tradition among friends. By now, you've learned how to play poker for fun, keep things competitive, and make your poker nights unforgettable. But what if you want to get better at the game and play at a high level without gambling? This final section will show you how to train like a pro, start a poker club, and even use poker as a learning tool. 11. Play poker like a pro, without the gambling pressure. Ever wondered how professional poker players stay cool under pressure? The secret isn't just about reading opponents, it's about discipline, strategy, and mindset. Even without gambling, you can still play like a pro and develop elite-level skills. A. Learn advanced poker strategy. If you're serious about poker, challenge yourself to master advanced strategies. Try these. Bluffing with purpose. A good bluff isn't about lying, it's about telling a believable story. Reading betting patterns. Learn how players act in different situations to predict their hands. Position advantage. Play stronger hands in early positions and exploit opponents when in late position. By mastering these strategies, you can play at a high level without putting money on the line. B. Study professional poker matches. Watch legendary poker players like Phil Ivey, Daniel Negreanu, and Doyle Brunson in action. Notice how they stay calm under pressure, read opponents without words, make mathematically sound decisions. You can apply these same tactics to non-gambling poker games and still feel like a high-stakes pro. 12. Create your own poker club. If you love poker and want a regular game night, why not start a poker club? Here's how to make it awesome. A. Set the rules. Decide if you're playing with fake chips, points, or just for fun. Make it clear that gambling is off the table. Rotate hosts so each game has a fresh vibe. B. Keep it social. Make poker night more than just a game. Consider adding a leaderboard to track wins without money involved. Fun prizes like trophies, titles, or even custom-made championship belts. Post-game breakdowns to discuss epic plays and mistakes. With a solid poker club, you'll have consistent games, great friendships, and endless fun without any financial stress. 13. Play poker as a brain training exercise. Poker isn't just a game, it's a mental workout. Here's how playing poker can boost your brain power. Memory and recall. Tracking opponents' tendencies improves short-term memory. Quick math skills. Calculating odds and pot sizes strengthens mental math. Decision-making. Learning when to fold, call, or raise teaches risk assessment. Even if you never gamble, playing poker sharpens real-life skills that can help in business, negotiations, and everyday decision-making. 14. Make poker night a family-friendly game. Who says poker is just for adults? If you want a fun family activity, tweak the rules to make it kid-friendly. A. Replace chips with fun alternatives. Use candy, stickers, or Legos instead of chips. Have small, non-monetary rewards for winners, like choosing the next family movie. B. Teach strategy in a fun way. Encourage kids to think logically and read facial expressions. Use it as a way to teach probability and patience. By making poker family-friendly, you turn it into a fun, educational game that everyone can enjoy without the gambling aspect. Final thoughts. Keep poker fun and stress-free. Poker is one of the best strategy games out there, and you don't need to gamble to love it. Whether you're playing with friends, studying advanced strategies, or hosting an epic tournament, you can enjoy the thrill, challenge, and fun of poker without risking a dime. So grab your cards, gather your group, and make poker night an unforgettable experience. Now, deal the cards and let the games begin.